I made my name. Always chasing up, money on my grind, never bringing up. Made the right decisions, I stay driven. Yeah, we go, I can definitely up with a top. I'll lie, stacking with the G's. She riding with me, living in a Benz, struggling in bands. I got no friends, never down again. Watch as I win, I keep coming in. Nobody stop me now, loyalty is key. Crew, you know that we chill. $100 bills, keeping it moving, gotta stay real. Gotta stand strong, you know where I belong. Making these hits all night long. No, that's true, loyal, that's the crew. Every single day they call me JXS, Jax. Know what I like when I hit the lottery. It's like a lotto, you know I feel it. I gotta keep it coming into a close. Better feel the flow, Cassie, you know this ain't Hollywood. We ain't never gonna fly, loyalty on lock. Watch me glow, they can't control. Y'all let it show, get that cash flow. You know what I'm worth and I had to go, now I'm making it work. Trying not to get hurt, got that grind from the dirt. You already know, got the hell work and dedication, that's all that we do. All with a crew in the sleeve. I got hunger and love, I'm rising above, hustle the best, I got no time for no stress. Playing it smart, but with no fear. Distractions come near, I got it right here. I made my way, I grind every day. We can't be seeing no reactions, I ain't got time for no distractions.